texts coming in already on 81333. Let's take a look at this one. It's Dave at the Allotment. Allotment Dave. It's Dave at the Allotment.
Hello there, Dave's Allotment. It's about that time. Still sunny, but huge clouds hanging overhead, so I think we're going to get a bit of rain today. So let's see how it goes. First of all though, it's gardening program time. Come on! Kettle on! No, sorry, I'm going magic kettle. It looks like rain to me. Let's see how long it lasts. I've just noticed quite a few sparrows in there. Well, there's loads of different sorts of sparrows. They're like in amongst that the blackberry bushes there. But if it doesn't rain today, I'm going to eat me hat. In fact, it's raining now. Might as well have another cuppa. Lovely. This is more like it for summer, eh? I'm going to play the blues. I'll not be doing any hoeing in this. Woo! I think it's gonna thunder. Be lush if I got lightning, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's heavy that. Bouncing off the shed. Bouncing off the floor. Well, at least I don't have to eat me hat. Right, it's still raining. It started thundering now, but my mate's just come, and this is interesting. So this is my point of interest for the day. I was telling you about my mate who's into archaeology and all that, but he also does carves stuff, you know, to makes stuff out of wood, and he's brought this round to show us. This is amazing. This, I don't know, like, let's see if I can get up close. But have you seen In fact, I cannot see, so I'll turn the camera around. Look at the carving on that. I think it's amazing. He's standing outside. He's a bit shy. He's watching the thunder and that. Actually, it's lightning and everything now. But like I say, this is a piece of cherry which is carved. Watch out the way, Annie. And what it is it's got all the elements. So there's fire, and there's earth. It's like a mountain. And there's water, and that's sky. What's the one after water? Sky. Air. He's sculpted like, you know, air. And this next part is what he calls ether, like dream state. And at the top here, well, it's halfway up, it's carved the star and all of the signs, which earth and all of that. And that one there, it says that one was the hardest to carve, like, because I don't know if you can see, it's only it's the same size, just a little bit bigger than my thumbnail. But it's an amazing carving, I think. Like, he's done it in his allotment, using just different tools that he made. It's lush, proper like walking staff, made out of cherry. Took him 6 weeks to carve that. I think it's amazing. Well, that's the point of interest for the day. Well, the rain's totally scuppered the garden today, so there's no gardening to actually do. So I just thought I'd have a bit chat and a drink. Cheers. Well, first of all, I'd like to say I would like to thank YouTube for just being YouTube, and over the past year of actually making videos and looking at other people's allotment videos and stuff. I've got so much inspiration off other people to do so much more things and build lots of other things which I wouldn't have ever thought about. So that's good, because it's going to give us a lot of things to do over the winter. I think I'm gonna extend my pond a bit, and I'm gonna make one of them strawberry beds like on Tony's allotment, because they look fantastic. Them loads of other things. So like I say, thank you YouTube. Keep up the good work. Another thing, I don't know, some of you may have noticed I've been putting up videos about the band Venom. Well, it's not my favourite sort of music. Like, it's the reason I put things up is because I used to work for them from the year 2000 until 2006. I was touring the world with the band. I was the bass technician and photographer. So if you ever see any pictures of the band Venom, if you're into them, from the years 2000 until 2006. I took them pictures. I was also lucky enough, you know, to actually go on tour with the lads. I'm not going to go into the history of the band Venom. I just, like I say, in 2006 we done a good tour of the world. Went to America for 6 weeks, which was fantastic, unbelievable. Everything, all expenses paid, the lot. Didn't I, girl? And it was great. Met loads of people, met loads of like, if you've ever been to a festival, a music festival, you've never seen nothing until you go to a metal festival, like, because honestly they're crazy people. But that's what I used to do in 2006. I toured the world. I played bass in front of about 52,000 people. That was in Italy, Sweden, Finland, Germany, and then, like I say, 6 weeks in America. Fantastic. Yeah. And look at us now, sitting in the shed, talking about my allotment in the rain. When back then I was living it up with the rich and famous. Well, it's still raining. But if you do like Venom, check out my Venom videos, because a couple of the gig ones, in fact there's a one that I've put on where you can actually see what I actually did on the when I worked. I think it's the At War with Satan intro, so check it out, see what I did. Well, there's not much else to do, so I'll finish my cuppa. I think I'll have an early night. I'll give you a quick tour. There's nothing much happening, like, apart from weeds growing. Like I say, I was going to hoe today, but not new. Peace, man. Well, while it stopped raining, I'll give you a quick tour. Like I say, not much has happened, but things have happened, so I might as well show you around. All my water irises, the flowers have come out on them. Look nice. Plenty bees on the concrete. I was chucking it down before, so they would have been getting soaking. But as you can see, how actually big, well, there's Annie in comparison to there. It's huge. Loads of flowers on, which creates loads of bees. I don't know if there's any cherries left on here now. It's been windy. Nah. No, they've all dropped off. Oh well, doesn't matter. When they get a bit bigger, I might make one of them staff things like we made. I'll get them to make one for us. Yeah, the irises are starting to die off, but it's still got loads on, like. I'm just glad I got them back to flower. Garlic, same. Cabbages are getting much bigger now, like. I haven't done anything to them since I put them in, apart from giving them the odd water and, like, now and again, and weeding. My broad beans have eventually started to climb up, which is good. These blue lake climbing beans are up, and the Berlotti beans have also started climbing. So I'm going to give them a dose of Epsom salts, well, manganese or whatever it's called, and give them a hand along. My broad beans are now about 3 foot nearly. and they're starting to get beans on. Where are they? They're small at the minute, like, but so are the plants. I cannot understand it. Like that one's going to be covered. It's only about a foot tall. So them ones must be the dwarf ones I put in. If they're not, I'm in serious trouble. The peas are getting bigger because I put the little bit climbing net and stuff up. Them ambassador ones, like I say, I can't do nothing. I'm not going to stand on the soil a day. It's absolutely saturated now. Beetroot. Everything's flying up now. The past 3 weeks have been really warm and little bits of rain, and it's been perfect. Still not too late to put loads of things in. Actually, I'm going to stick, I'll show you the seeds I've got later on. That's them radish. I only put them in 2 weeks ago, I think. Now this is what I've made here. I was going to put some lettuce up. I got a packet of mixed variety lettuce seeds. I was going to put them in there, but the rain stopped us. It was flooded before that. It was about 1 inch deep in water. In this part here, I was given some oriental mix seeds, like pak choy and stuff like that. So I'm going to put some in there. I'm going to put another row of peas in. It's still not too late for them either. So pardon me, start again. Within the next week I'll be putting my lettuce and all my pak choy or whatever it's called in there. Onions are thickening up slowly but surely, catching up to everybody. My broccoli is started getting broccoli on. God, I don't know if you can see through that net, like. Sweet corn is getting a little bit bigger, like, so you never know, might get something. Carrots are doing okay. This challenge carrot is doing okay. So is this one. The leeks. What's happened to this one? That's been stood on by something like that. But they're doing okay. These potatoes, can't wait to pull these. Weed there. That's sticky stuff, we used to call that when I was a kid. Chuck it on each other. Sticky stuff. That's the other potatoes. Like I say, I can't wait to see if there's anything there. It'd be a nightmare if it was just total failure. These potatoes, they're starting to get flowers on, but like I say, you don't need them. Get them off. Now all the goodness that was creating them will go now back into the potato, so I'll pick them off when it's not soaking wet. All these main crop out, they're all up now. Not be long before we're digging the first lot up. Them earlies. The best time of year, that. Reap the benefits of the seeds that you sow. These challenge carrots are doing okay. There's 2 left out of the 4. I'll put these tumbling tomatoes in this greenhouse because it's a little bit warmer in here, and since I have, they're starting to get loads of flowers on there now. I've never grew these before. I don't know when they're actually supposed to start tumbling, but it doesn't look like it's going to tumble to me, but I don't know. Like I say, it's the first time I've grew them, but hopefully I'll get some loads of nice cherry tomatoes off there. Joe's cucumbers. I'm loving it. Look at that, much bigger than the other one. They must like it in here. So hopefully we'll get some nice cucumbers as well. There's Annie. She's glad it stopped raining now because she doesn't like it at all. These marigolds are massive now. We'll have to put them where they're needed. The strawberries, the alpine strawberries are just starting to turn red, which reminds us, I'll just quickly run up here because I think it's going to rain again. My strawberries up here. Oh, my strawberry up here has been ate. No, that's not a slug, that's a blackbird. God damn it. Get, I was going to eat that now. Oh well. Must remember to put net over strawberries. Note to self. Where was I? Oh, down here. I put these marigolds into these pots. Oh. And they're going to be massive, them, like. Hopefully they'll start flowering. Now what I've been doing while it's been raining today is making a new door. Oh, check that out. Quite pleased with that, like. It's just a few bits of pallet. Few bits of pallet knocked together. Knocked onto only a bit of original existing door that was left on. I'll just put this plastic in there. That'll do. No entry, you thieving gits. But if I want to be in there, that's easy to replace, so I'm not bothered. These are the seeds that I was given. I've never heard of half of these. Choy some, never heard of that. Coriander, I was going to put some of that in some pots today as well, and I was also going to plant some of these. Mooly radish, never heard of them. Pak choy, I've got some pepper seeds for next year. I can't see, Fresno peppers they are, and I can't wait to try these as well. It's the sweet corn and popcorn, mini pop F1. So that'll be good next year, something to look forward to. And those are the lettuce seeds I was given. As I was tidying up the shed as well, I found this old picture. It's, you know, I keep saying about John who was the chrysanthemum champion, blah blah blah. But that's a picture that was in his shed. And look at that. That's one of his displays that he used to do. Well, he didn't do it all himself, but there was 3 of them, each by the whole. This is Harrogate, this show, and they all used to have to grow like 3 each for the display. And looks lush, that, like. He obviously knew what he was doing. There's another picture here. Lovely colours in there, like chocolates and all sorts. Those are chrysanthemum bushes. Different to the chrysanthemums I'm growing, like. And my sunflower's getting bigger. I forgot that was there. And well, these are the wildflower seeds. Well, I can't see no wildflowers. I was given this though, I put this in myself. It's called Cosmos. That's doing okay. It's supposed to get loads of blue flowers on eventually, like, so it'll be nice to see. This greenhouse. Oh, what I have done The other day there was a load of horse manure I dropped off in outside the path there, and it was hardly any horse muck in it. It was just all straw with a little bit muck in, like. So what I've done is, years ago I dug this bit out. I was going to make a hotbed, so that's what I've done. Now there's 2 foot of straw underneath the topsoil here, and apparently what happens is that when the straw starts composting, it heats the soil up, which then creates obviously warmer greenhouse, and then you can grow stuff like melons and what have you. So that'll be something interesting to see in the future, hopefully. My tomatoes are doing okay. It's only 11 degrees Celsius in here. That's cold for June, nearly July. What was on the bush? Oh, the bush tomatoes. They're bushing out, like they've got the second, third truss on there now. I've been feeding these with the comfrey twice a week. Once you start getting more trusses on, you need to start feeding them more. So I've been doing that. I put some of the straw around them potatoes as well. See if that helps. And the tomatoes I put in last week are doubled in size. Hello there, sorry about the abrupt ending. My batteries ran out and I didn't have any spare ones, so I'm back in house now anyway. Thanks for watching and subscribing and all the rest of it. Have a great week everybody, see you next time, bye now.